Python try, except comma versus as an except. What is the difference between comma and as an except statements, e.g. and? Is the second syntax legal in 2.6? It works in Python 2.6 on Windows, but the 2.5 interpreter in Cygwin complains that it is invalid. If they are both valid in 2.6, which should I use?
The definitive document is PEP 3110, Catching Exceptions. Summary. In Python 3.x, using as is required to assign an exception to a variable. In Python 2.6+, use the as syntax, since it is far less ambiguous and forward compatible with Python 3.x. In Python 2.5 and earlier, use the comma version, since as isn't supported.
Yes, it's legal. I'm running Python 2.6. Update. There is another reason to use the as syntax. Using makes things a lot more ambiguous, as others have pointed out, and here's what makes the difference. As of Python 2.6, there is multi-catch, which allows you to catch multiple exceptions in one except block. In such a situation, it's more expressive and Pythonic to say, rather than to say, which would still work.
The as syntax is the preferred one going forward. However, if your code needs to work with older Python versions, 2.6 is the first to support the new one, then you'll need to use the comma syntax.
If you want to support all Python versions, you can use the system.accept_info function like this. Source said smiley this URL.
As of Python 3.7, not sure about other versions, the comma syntax is not supported anymore. Source file exception_comma.py. $Python version dash, Python 2.7.10.
Cool.